The first 24 hours after losing your job are not for fixing your life. They are for damage control. When the news hits, your nervous system takes over. Your brain starts scanning for threats. It jumps to worst-case scenarios before you've even had time to sit down. This is normal, but it's also dangerous, because decisions made in panic rarely lead to clarity. So here's the rule for the first day: no major decisions. You do not update your resume. You do not scroll job boards. You do not rewrite your entire future at 2 in the morning. That comes later. Today is about stabilizing your mind. Start with something basic: sleep, food, water, movement. Not because it's self-care, but because your brain cannot think clearly if your body feels under threat. Next, limit the story you tell yourself. Right now, your mind wants a reason, a villain, a personal failure. Resist that urge. Most job losses are structural, financial, or political. They are not character assessments. You can examine the details later. Today, you separate what happened from what it means about you. Then choose one anchor task, one small grounded action that brings you back into the present: a walk, a shower, cleaning one's surface. This isn't productivity, it's regulation. Finally, decide who gets access to this moment. You don't owe everyone an explanation. You don't need to perform strength or optimism. Choose one person who can hold reality without fixing it. That's enough. If you do only these things in the first 24 hours, you've already succeeded. Because the goal of day one is not momentum, it's stability. Tomorrow we'll talk about structure, but today your only job is to remain intact. You don't rebuild a house while the ground is still shaking. When you're ready, move to the next video. This is the protocol guide.